another episode where we are learning about candlestick patterns. In this episode, we are going to learn about a candlestick pattern known as three white soldiers. It is a very strong candlestick pattern. Three white soldiers occurs when there are three green candles closing above each other. This shows that there is a very good support from the buyers or the bulls. There are a few things that you need to take care before entering this trade. First, there should be a downtrend. Like all the bullish patterns, there should be a downtrend. Second, the entry should be like every other pattern above the high of the third green candle. The target would be a next immediate resistance, and your stop loss would be below the first green candle's low. If you can see here, the stop loss is very low. That tells you how powerful this pattern is because the bulls are being very dominant here. We will look into an example. If you can see again the chart of Avanti feed, there was a nice downtrend going on here, but if you see here, there are three green candles closing above each other, and you can consider this as three white soldiers. And after that, look at the price going up from 200 to 700s. So this is three white soldiers for you, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.